Good evening, friends. Study with the Pal Engineering and Journal Geology Parvin Singh book. Chapter 5 Geological Work of Glaciers. Glaciers, like other geological agencies, performs their work in three ways: erosion, transport, and deposition. Glaciers have been particularly active in the recent geological past and are held responsible for development and modification of many land features on the globe. The following action is with special reference. So, responsible for development and modification of many land features of the globes, and the following account is with a special reference to the glaciated areas where such action has already taken place. Those land which are presently covered under the glaciers are naturally is expected to suffer broadly similar change. Glacial erosions erosive work is accompanied by glaciers in two ways: by pluckings and by abrasions. Glacial plucking, it may be broadly defined as loosenings and breaking of rocks masses by presence pressure of a glacial ice. It is also called glacial quarryings. In this process, moving glacial ice first develops a firm hold over the rocks masses or a part of rocks body, and then by virtue of pressures generated by its movement, the ice tears the rock's mass out of its place. An irregular surface is thus created in the rock's mass, which facilitates further pluckings. Thus block in turns out created in the rock mass, which facilitate further pluckings. Thus blocks or after blocks is turn out of a positions and moves away along with the glacial ice, leaving behind a rough and rust rock surface. These plugged out surface are observed conspicuously in many glaciated areas on the steeper sides of a hill-like structures called the straws and leaf form. Glacial aberrations, it is the rubbings, scratchings, groovings, and polishing actions of the glacier on the rock's surface along or over which these ice masses happen to move. The ice itself is capable of abrading the soft rocks only, but when it is carrying along with it stones, fragment, and rocks, pieces, sand, silt, and distributing clay distributing along its base and the sides, where it is more likely to come in contact with the surroundings rocks. It acts as a powerful abrading mediums, the bigger and harder than bedrock fragment performs the rocks of groovings or cuttings into the rocks as they are carried forward. Over them, the fine, sharp, and hard fragment and grains leaves scratch on the affected rock surface, whereas the fine sand and silt particles do a neat polishing job. So the same rock may get grooved, scratched, and polished at a place depending upon the locations, concentration, and hardness of these glacial stools. Thank you.